I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your tax return status. First, ensure you have your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number readily available. You'll also need to know your filing status, such as single or married filing jointly, and the precise refund amount you expect. These three pieces of information are crucial for a successful inquiry. Then, navigate to the official government tax website to begin the process. Most tax authorities offer convenient online tools to track your return. For federal returns, the Where's My Refund tool is your primary resource. Remember to visit your specific state's tax agency website for updates on state returns. If you e-filed, it typically takes about 24 hours for your information to become available in the system. Paper returns, however, may take up to 4 weeks to process initially. Once you've entered your details, you'll see a status update. Return received means the tax authority has your return and is processing it. Refund approved signifies that your refund amount has been verified and is ready to be paid. Finally, refund sent confirms that your payment has been issued, either via direct deposit or a paper check. Each status provides a clear step in the process. If your refund seems delayed, don't panic. For e-filed returns, it's best to wait at least 21 days before contacting the tax authority. If you mailed a paper return, allow a minimum of 6 weeks for processing. If these timeframes pass and you still have no update, reach out to the relevant tax agency directly. They can provide specific information regarding your individual situation and help resolve any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.